How to fix T-dating connection issue. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to make sure that you are connected to stable internet connection. Check whether your Wi-Fi is strong enough or not. If not, forget the network and then rejoin it. Or else you can also try turning on the cellular data and use it while using the T-dating app. Once you are connected to stable internet connection, then you have to check the server of the application. Sometimes the server of the application might be down and it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. In that case, you simply have to wait for the server to get fixed. Once you have checked the server, now the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the App Store. Once you're inside the App Store, in the search bar, search for T-dating. Move into this app right here. You have to make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. If not, tap on update and update it. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. If not, try uninstalling the application and then reinstall it. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.